Hey guys, welcome back to Beamer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today we're working with an oldie but goodie. This is a 2006 BMW E46 M3. Now, this has the S54 motor in it, which is the inline six-cylinder, and it operates primarily on oil pressure. Uses engine timing is set by oil pressure. So, having fresh oil and keeping your oil clean on a regular basis, especially that it's a high revving motor, is key. But it has some inherent problems in the VANOS system, the variable valve timing. So let me show you what's going on. This is clearly the old unit, and this is the new unit. What's happened is this exhaust sprocket has these two little detents that come out that go in here that advance and retard the cam timing. Let me show you what that looks like on the car. What had happened was one of those pieces broke off, only allowing one side to turn. If the other side breaks, we would have catastrophic engine failure, which we've seen before, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So the point of this is during a valve adjustment, when you have the valve cover off, you want to make sure that these teeth are in good condition. In this case, that was not. We replaced this sprocket, the exhaust sprocket, with a cryogenically hardened one for added strength. We were able to get a remanufactured VANOS unit, which will come with a new warranty. And now, instead of having two oblong holes, we'll have new holes drilled out, and this will come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. While we were in there, we went ahead and replaced some of the broken guide rails. So everything that we do is looked up with BMW repair instructions as we pay for the rights to access that. And yeah, we'll keep this beautiful E46 M3 on the road for many years to come, because the customer does take really good care of it, and we want to thank them for that. We'll keep the car on the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.